Hi. In this video, I will show you how to install and set up a Pi NAS share using OpenMediaVault 5 on Raspberry Pi 4. Step 1. Open a terminal, then log into your Pi. Then update the OS packages, then upgrade. Step 2. Reboot your Pi. Step 3. Then re-log into your Pi. Then copy and execute the installation script. Installation process may take some time. It will automatically reboot your Pi once installation is finished. Step 4. Once installation is done, log into OpenMediaVault via web browser. Default user is admin and password is OpenMediaVault. Step 5. Attach your external hard drive and set up a shared folder. Scroll down and click on File Systems. Select your external hard drive, then click Mount. Click Apply, then click Yes to apply the configuration changes. Then click the shared folders. Click Add. Put your desired NAS share name. Then select your device. Click the Permissions option, then select Access Permission for users to Pi NAS share. In this video, I select everyone. Then put a comment for your share. Click Save, then Apply. Click on SMB CIFS. Then make sure it is enabled. Click on Shares tab. Then click Add. Add your created Pi NAS shared folder. Click Guest Allowed on Public Access, then Save. Click Apply. Now, let's go to our PC and nab the Pi NAS share. Click on Map Network Drive. Then click Browse. Click on Raspberry and select Pi NAS shared folder, then click OK. Click Finish. Setup is complete. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, kindly support this channel by hitting the like and subscribe button.